If you're looking for a life-changing book, look no further than Evolve Your Brain. The Science of Changing Your Mind and Your Life by Joe Dispenza. This groundbreaking work is the culmination of Dispenza's decades of research on how the mind works and how to change it. In this book, Dispenza takes readers on a journey through the neuroscientific underpinnings of our behavior. He explains how our brains function and how we can use this knowledge to change our own lives. He shows you how to break the habit of being yourself and create a new one. And he provides step-by-step instructions on how to achieve any goal you set for yourself. Making a conscious decision to alter one's life requires a commitment of will, and frequently entails overcoming feelings of unease that compel us to reconsider our course. Evolving means surmounting conditions in existence by transforming something about ourselves. It represents an act of decisiveness towards change. And while the journey to self-transformation can be difficult, it is also exhilarating. Dispenza's book is the perfect guide to help you on your way. With Evolve Your Brain, you'll become more aware of your own thoughts and actions, and you'll be better able to control your life by changing the things you can change. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Show your love in comment box and subscribe our channel for more such motivational beliefs videos. Thanks for supporting the channel.